we just did a thing today. Oh, hey y'all.
Hello.
Welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to the channel.
We are the D.Girls. Deanna here.
Dania here.
If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe. This is a journey of two individuals born together, better known as twins, living life.
Fraternal twins.
Fraternal twins. Put your seatbelt on, babe.
Oh yeah.
Living life through their differences and their similarities. And today is a very special day for us. Okay. We are going to take our first official twin shoot since like our
birth.
No, we took
since
our graduation pictures for high school.
Yeah.
So well over
12, 15, 20.
Whoa. Babe, we still in the teens, okay? Well over 10 years or whatever. I need a breeze, baby.
I was about to say the same thing.
So yeah, this is what PTO is for.
This
Y'all.
is what PTO is for.
Because I said, I don't need to go to work. Let me do this, okay? And so we are headed to our shoot location. Y'all already know, and if you don't know, Deanna been in this game, this modeling game, this face portrait game, this creative game, this artist game, this exploration of expressions through art in many forms for a very long time. And usually I'm behind the scenes. Everybody, okay, so sad note, I feel like people just want to be nice when they see me with Deanna, because they be like, you can model too, you can model too. Y'all, that's not my passion. I could care less. I do like taking pictures, so I'm gonna take some pictures, but like, people always be like, you should take pictures too, you a model, you cute, cool. Everybody that's cute don't need to be a model, but whatever. True. So today we are headed to take our first official twin shoot as the D-Girls for real. You feel me? And so like,
shout out to Chelsea.
Shout out to Chelsea. She reached out to Deanna and was like, you and your sister. I said, hold on, wait a minute, me? Drake. And so I'm honored, you know, and so I decided, let's go ahead and do the thing. We should have filmed last night because we was trying to figure out what the heck we wanted to wear. So we went with the nice, you see she has her green and her leopard. She has a little white. I have on white. I have on some green. I got a little leopard in my bag. I'm going to figure out something to do with that. Oh, hey, son. And lady, you can go.
Look, she got that tech neck. Paying attention.
tech neck, yeah. And so, yeah, we're just headed there now.
Man, I wish I would have did my henna.
Yeah, I was literally saying, I was like, we should have had henna, but it's okay. This is not going to be the first or the last. And so, yes, her friend Chelsea is a wonderful photographer. We went to her, one of her shows, October last year. That was when I first met her. She captured her eye is very beautiful. And so it's actually,
she's a storyteller.
Baby, I am very honored that she said, and your sister, because me, nigga Drake. So I'm excited to work with her, and we are headed to a very special location that I chose when I was taking my Sunday walk a couple of days ago. It's very beautiful. I'm going to give you guys the scenery, the vibes, all of the things once we get there. So we are headed there now, and it's just a beautiful day in Chicago. The sun is shining beautifully, but it's not hot. And yeah, and let's just get into the face, because I don't remember the last time I did my makeup. I honestly, truly, it was July. And baby, I mean, I guess it came out good, but it was so hot, it was melting off. So this is the NYX Won't Stop, Don't Stop, Won't Stop, Can't Stop, Won't Stop. One of them, you ain't gonna stop. And I have that on, and I don't have no lashes on. I just put a little bit of mascara on, a nice little plum blush. I got like a nice little neutral lip going on. I didn't want to do anything too heavy, too like glam. I just wanted to look like, this gives that 90s matte. And that's what I wanted to give, you know. And Deanna's looking like a goddess.
Like always.
Yes. And so, yes, we are headed there on our way to the location. And yeah, it's going to be a great day. So if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now, because this is not going to be the first or the last time you see the D-Girls in a spectacular. Oh, and This color just looks wonderful on me, y'all. And this is a Synthetica, okay? And it's been doing this thing. The ends might not, but that's okay. I'm going to ask Brandy if she can color some bundles for me this color, because this is great. This is great. It's not too extreme, but it has like a nice pop that you can see. Like, her hair is not black. This ain't no 1B. This ain't no 1B, baby. So yeah, we're headed to the place. I need to save the battery, so I'm going.
All right. So.
Does today look like a special day? Because it is. Hello.
Okay, so this is the look. This is the look. But is also something that naturally happens for us. Is this not Brandy? Is that not Brandy? Hey, Brandy!
You don't get no blessing.
Oh, y'all cute. Y'all
Thank you.
cute.
You need to.
Yeah, let me see what we look like. You show us.
Thank you. We had to call backup, y'all. So you not working, so you want to get a drink or something out there?
And that's what we mean. Hey, Jessica! Like, you gonna be good. I feel like you'll be good, and we can keep our eyes open. Yeah, we don't got no choice. Touch and agree. What's your car name?
Amasa. Hey, Mossy.
Touch and agree. Everything gonna be all right. Everything gonna be okay. Everything gonna be okay. No ticket, no nothing. So everybody's here right on time, divine time, and we are about to get our shoot started with Chelsea.
Clearly you hoes took off work.
Chelsea. But we don't plan. We do plan, but we don't wear the same things. We coordinate naturally, and so all of this panned out perfectly. Yeah. So our first ever grown woman twin shoot. I can say that first ever.
Mosquito girl.
I got mosquitoes, bites everywhere. Did you need help carrying something?
That's a good question. Hey y'all, this is the location. It's so cute.
He's here. So what is this baby right here? What are we using?
This is the Chamonix. That's all I know.
Okay.
I don't know what number. It's a large format camera.
You know, I know that there's an appropriate name for this. Oh yes, green. I know there's an appropriate name for this place, but one, I don't have no contacts on or no glasses, so I'm not sure.
This is my first time shooting it, so
Yes.
I've been studying it for about a good maybe 12 hours. So
Okay. Oh, we about to have some fun.
yeah, so
Yeah.
we're gonna see how we go.
Yeah. We're about to have some fun. Butterflies already blessed Chelsea in, so they blessed us in.
Oh my God, I love you. I love the energy.
Yes.
Oh, this cold. Oh no, you super official with it. Yeah, this how you do it. It's a nice angle. I'm giveaway. The arches is the best part. We took our shoes off. I'm gonna have to wash my feet with alcohol for real. Yep.
This area right here, we're going to do some social improv acting type. Okay, Chelsea's gonna be over here this way.
This is so dope. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I just told Deanna, I said these could be our first photos that we frame in the house. And also it's a lot of dragonflies out here. I'm gonna look it up and see what that means because they talking to us for sure. Look at Deanna.
Okay, you're gonna be right here.
On this.
Yes.
Okay.
And make sure you give an arch.
Ooh, body type.
Okay. Boom. And then I'm gonna be walking that way.
You don't laugh like that. I could. See? Okay, that. Stay like. Hey, how you gonna tell me to stay like that? You just knock me out of my frame. Okay, let me just don't laugh up. Like, no, y'all. You don't laugh up.
Okay, I don't know how this shirt is looking at all. But it is what it is. Okay, that is Deanna. That one.
This is pose shot 4. The white and the green looks so great.
Hey, look, they picked me up off the street like a stray dog or a stray cat.
We gotta make sure the family is straight.
I was
You
like,
heard?
hey.
Love you.
If I had to put my glasses on so I can finally see, and tie this on, so now I can match Dania because she got this. Because when I say what is that? Got to be glued something, baby. Just the hairspray and the makeup combination have me looking crazy. So I think not. So we're about to go get some lunch before Dania has to go back to work. Okay. And we are going to get some small cheval burger and some aioli fries. And I hope they have this new thing that I seen on TikTok where they take the sticky date cake from the other restaurant and they put it in like a milkshake or something. And I want that before I start my final lock-in, so I won't be feigning. Turn the photo shoot outfit a little bit more cash. Can I get on my gym shoes? Oh, flats. Harold. I was literally like, it smelled like fried chicken. Who got fried chicken? No. Do you want to get? You get Harold's, and I get small Safari, and we have both.
Okay, let me decide. I'm gonna have to find.
Southside Chicago girls and they Harold's. It's a thing. We shall see. What a great day. Hello, good morning. Oh, it's the afternoon. Hello. But yeah, I think I'm gonna put my sunglasses on for now. So I don't mean to be disrespectful, but sometimes I don't want people to see my eyes. And I got these today, and they kind of match my brown. See? You like these?
Oh wow, you look good.
Thanks, girl.
Hold on. May I have that
Yeah, these sunglasses, I know I've been stunning my black ones, but these, I got these for a reason, okay? Do we get pirate? Cute pirate. Yeah. All right, we gotta film a TikTok real quick. Hey y'all, we just did something new today.
And you're gonna have to go to the YouTube to see it.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go check out our YouTube to see it, but if you can see, we just did a thing today.
A thing.
A thing.
A
Yeah,
thing.
a thing. Can you see my green? Can you see the coordination? No, you gotta come close. Can you see the coordination?
Yeah.
The coordination.
Say cheese, y'all know. Twin day. Twin day.
I got the burger. Let's see, we got the chicken sandwich. Chicken sandwich, hot honey. Then we got a sticky day. What up, young?
Twin day. Twin day.
If y'all don't get this when y'all come here, just go to McDonald's. I got the burger. Dania got the chicken sandwich. We gonna cut it, put it, and this is my water.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. Hey y'all. So we have to officially like close out the video. So thank y'all for watching. That was a very new experience for us.
Okay, yes, this is what we're talking about.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So that was a new experience for us taking our first photo shoots together.
Yes.
And we had a great time.
It was beautiful.
Right now we're
It
relaxed.
was beautiful, absolutely.
It was beautiful because I'm our favorite person in the whole wide world.
Yes. Probably addicted.
Obsessed. My arm, please.
Okay, go on.
But yes. So yeah, we just wanted to close out the video, y'all. Thank y'all for watching.
Thank you, Chelsea.
Thank you, Chelsea, for capturing us and taking the time out to really, want to capture us.
We're officially celebrating our brother's birthday, Bob's Burgers.
Shout out to Bob's Burgers. We're at Bob's Burgers restaurant right now. I want to leave a review.
Yeah.
1010 would recommend Bob's Burgers. Throw it to the sky. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. We are going to continue to relax this weekend after a week of change. Okay. Yeah, so thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and we will talk to y'all later.